In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove idle time in Hubstaff, a helpful tool for maximizing productivity and ensuring that your time tracking is as accurate as possible. To get started, you'll first want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser that you prefer to use. Once your browser is open, head over to the search bar, type in Hubstaff, and press Enter. You should be directed to the Hubstaff website in no time. Now, once you're at the Hubstaff website, you'll need to sign into your account. Look for the Login option, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Enter your login credentials, which typically includes your email and password, and proceed to sign in. If you happen to have forgotten your password, there's usually an option to reset it, so don't worry. After you've successfully signed into your Hubstaff account, you'll want to navigate to the settings. You'll often find this option in a drop-down menu, indicated by an icon that looks like a gear, usually located at the top of the page. Click on it, and from the list of options, select Activity and Tracking. This is the area where you can manage the specifics of how your time is tracked and recorded. Once you've entered the Activity and Tracking settings, direct your attention to the tabs available. You're specifically looking for the Timesheets tab. Click it, and you'll be greeted with all sorts of settings related to how your time entries are managed. Among these settings, you'll find one labeled Keep Idle Time. This is the setting we're interested in today. The Keep Idle Time option determines whether or not time that you're not actively working is recorded. By setting this option to Never, you ensure that any periods of inactivity are immediately discarded, keeping your timesheets neat and focused only on the time productively spent. So, go ahead and select Never. This small change helps in maintaining a precise and honest record of your work hours, providing a clearer picture of your productivity and utilization. That's all there is to it. Just by following these simple steps, you've now successfully adjusted the settings in your Hubstaff account to remove any idle time from your records. This adjustment can greatly aid in streamlining your workflow, making your time tracking data cleaner and more efficient for analysis. Remember, small tweaks like this can significantly help in maintaining productivity and ensuring that your time is being used as effectively as possible. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips. If you have any questions or need further clarifications, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy